Welcome back, Financial Future family. Today, we're delving into a crucial topic: the potential for monthly checks to replace Social Security benefits, including retirement, disability SSDI, survivors, and SSI benefits. I've gathered all the details you need right here in this video, so let's jump right in. Before we dive into the specifics, I want to express my gratitude for your ongoing support. If you're new to Financial Future or haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that big subscribe button below the video. I'm committed to keeping you informed about everything related to your money, benefits, and any significant changes to fixed income benefits. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of this important topic. Over the past few years, we've witnessed the emergence of various monthly check programs across the country. Lawmakers are actively discussing and working on nationwide monthly check programs for millions of low-income Americans, encompassing around 70 million beneficiaries. It's crucial to stay informed about these developments, especially considering the potential impact on fixed income benefits administered by the Social Security Administration. As we explore these monthly check programs, it's important to note that they differ from traditional Social Security benefits. While Social Security provides benefits to retirees, SSDI and SSI recipients, and survivors, the new programs often fall under guaranteed basic income, with ongoing, no-strings-attached checks specifically targeting lower-income individuals. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Lawmakers in Congress are currently considering the SUPPORT Act, a piece of legislation proposing ongoing $1,200 monthly checks on a nationwide level for those deemed low-income. While your fixed income benefits administered by Social Security aren't ending anytime soon, some lawmakers have raised the idea of potentially replacing or changing Social Security within the next 10 to 20 years. This discussion comes against the backdrop of Social Security grappling with significant financial issues. Some lawmakers are suggesting that cuts to Social Security are inevitable, while others are exploring the possibility of replacing the program altogether. It's essential to keep a close eye on these discussions, as lawmakers hold the key to shaping the future of Social Security and other fixed income benefits. Remember, your fixed income benefits aren't disappearing, but change is on the horizon. Lawmakers are acknowledging the need for solutions to Social Security's financial challenges. While it's uncertain what specific changes will occur, the conversation is happening, and we must stay informed to navigate these potential shifts in the landscape. As always, I'm here for you every step of the way. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends on social media, and explore the thousands of videos on Financial Future covering a wide range of topics. Thanks for being part of the Financial Future family, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, have a fantastic day.